Chapter 6 Triangles. You are very much familiar with the triangles and many of their properties. In class 9 you studied about congruence of triangles in detail. There you studied two figures are congruent if they have exactly same shape and same size. Two triangles are congruent if they have exactly same shape and same size. In two congruent triangles, three corresponding angles are equal and also three corresponding sides are exactly equal. Here in this chapter, we shall study about those figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. For example, two line segments are similar figures because they have same shape. Two circles are also similar figures because they have same shape. Like that, two equilateral triangles are also similar figures because they have same shape. And also any two squares are always similar figures because they have same shape. All congruent figures have exactly same shape and same size. Therefore, all congruent figures are also similar figures. But all similar figures are not always congruent. For example, two line segments of equal length are congruent. Also similar because they have same shape. But two line segments of different length are only similar figures, not congruent, because they are different in size. Similarly, two circles of equal radii are congruent figures and also similar because they have same shape. But two circles of different radii are only similar figures, not congruent because they have different size. Similarly, two squares of equal side length are congruent figures but not and also similar because they have same shape. But two squares of different side length are only similar figures, not congruent because they are having different size. Now let's see similarity of two polygons. Similarity of polygons. Two polygons of same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. Triangles are also polygons having minimum number of sides, that is 3. A polygon having 3 number of sides is triangle. So how triangles are defined to be similar? Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. So remember, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. Now let's see some examples where we shall verify which pair of given figures are similar and which are not similar. Check whether the following figures are similar or not. Here in this figure, two triangles are given. First triangle, sides are 2 centimeter each, means this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Second triangle, each side is 5 centimeter. So second triangle is also an equilateral triangle. In any equilateral triangle, angles are always 60 degree each. 60 degree each. So angles of these two equilateral triangles are 60 degree each. So here in these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, and corresponding sides AB by PQ, BC by QR, and AC by PR also equal. That is, angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree. Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 60 degree. Angle C equal to angle R equal to 60 degree. So corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. And AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR equal to 2 by 5. So three sides of the two triangles are having their corresponding angles equal and their sides are in the same ratio. That is, they are in the same proportion. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they are similar. And we can write their similarity in symbolic form like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because in two triangles, two conditions are satisfied. First condition, their corresponding angles are equal. Second condition, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, we can say that two triangles are similar. In second part, we are given two quadrilaterals, ABCD and PQRS. In quadrilateral ABCD, four sides are equal, but angles are not given. So this quadrilateral with four equal sides can be a rhombus. In second quadrilateral, four sides are given equal 4.5 centimeter each, and four interior angles are also given a right angle, so it is a square. In these two quadrilaterals, corresponding angles are not equal, although corresponding sides are proportional. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to CD by RS and AD by PS equal to 1.5 by 4.5, 1 by 3. Sides are in the same proportion, but corresponding angles are not equal. So by definition, we can say that these two figures are not similar. Now third part. In third part, we are given two quadrilaterals ABCD and PQRS. In first quadrilateral ABCD, all four sides are equal and interior angles are 90 degree each. So first quadrilateral is a square. In second quadrilateral PQRS, all four sides are equal and interior angles 90 degree each. So the second quadrilateral is also a square. So in these two quadrilaterals, corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle P, B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, angle D equal to angle S. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are also in the same ratio. AB by PQ equal to 2.5 by 5 ratio 1 by 2. BC by QR equal to ratio 1 by 2. CD by RS ratio 1 by 2. AD by PS ratio 1 by 2. So here in these two quadrilateral, four corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are also in the same proportion, are in the same ratio. So here these two quadrilaterals are similar. So in this way, in two figures, if we find corresponding angles equal and corresponding sides in the same ratio or in the same proportion, then we can say that two figures are similar.